Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm just gonna talk about MSI Afterburner. So many of you are using MSI Afterburner and also wondering how we can get those stats, CPU, GPU while we're playing any game, and just identify if you're getting good FPS or not. So what you need to do, just open up the MSI Afterburner and you have to go to settings option. After the setting options you have to go to monitor, and inside the monitor, whatever you want to show up on the stats while you're playing any game, you just have to click on that, click the check mark first, and tick mark here, show in on screen display. So like I have configured it already, I have just done it for GPU temps, GPU usage, memory usage, CPU temperature. So like you can see there are multiple cores, temperatures also you can put it over there, but I just put it for CPU temperature, which is just like an overall CPU temperature, and RAM usage, FPS. After you have done that, click apply and OK. One more thing I just need to tell, that you need this software which is called Riva Tuner. As soon as you install MSI Afterburner, you'll get an option to install Riva Tuner statistics as well, so make sure you install that. And this slider that you can see here, this will going to change the size of the overall stats, so you can modify according to your needs accordingly. Alright, so you can just minimize it, make sure you minimize it, don't close it. Right, so next thing you have to do is open up your game, and like you can see I'm trying God of War. It takes time a little bit in the start, but yeah, you can see all the stats now at the top. See.
No way across, but there's a sand bowl.
What does it say?
No yoked beast, nor fearful thrall, nor rooted tree.
Alright, thank you.